In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add shadow on Canva. So first, I open and design. So if you found this video helpful, please consider like and subscribing. So first of all, I input again purpose this on. This is a red color. So now I need to just click on this edit button. Then just scroll down. So here is it. You can see this is the shadow option. Just click here, so you can add any one unit. This one, this outline, and this page feed, angle, and etc what you want. So example purpose, I select drop. Then you can doing in blower amount and angle, distance, etc you can doing and intensity is good. If you want to keep it to other colors as well, so you can doing on here this color. Okay, this is good. Once you have done it and a design are done, you need to click on this share button, then click on download. Then as a png or jpg, you can whatever you want, just click on download as well. Thanks for watching. See you again.